My name is Clarence Lim. I am presenting the project on paper chromatography. We have a total of 4 members, which are Clarence Lim, Vince Leong, Christine Lam, and Elvis Tan. The aim of this project is to see whether M&M and Skittles candies were using the same dyes for similar color candies. The substances of the candies can be separated and compared on a piece of paper through the solubility of a solution. We were using M&M candies, Skittles candies, filter paper, pencil, tape, cooking pot, tap water, aluminum foil, and cotton buds in our experiment. First, the aluminum foil was laid on the hard surface and a few drops of water were added for each piece of candy placed on the aluminum foil. A few minutes later, a few drops of concentrated solution containing the dye of the candy coating was obtained. Each cotton bud was used to soak up the concentrated solution. After that, the cotton bud was dabbed separately on strips of filter paper. Those strips of filter paper were hung onto a pencil, and finally the chromatogram was obtained. On slide 7, we can see the result table which shows the retention factors. A high retention factor means that the dye had traveled a long distance up the filter paper, while short low retention factors means that the dye has not traveled much the filter paper. All the red, green, and orange colored candies for both M&M and Skittles candies had different retention factors, which indicate that they had contained different dyes. We are in the conclusion that none of the dyes are the same for both candy brands. We also note that during the experiment, the dye of the green candies appeared blue and yellow on the filter paper. This is because yellow and blue dyes were used to create green dyes. We have reached the end of our presentation. Here are the references we used. We would like to thank our teacher, Ms. Jessie, for all the guidance on this project.